Welcome back to Right Mindset. Today, we are diving into one of the most influential books on personal development ever written, The Magic of Thinking Big by Dr. David J. Schwartz. You've probably heard people say success is about who you know, or you need to be a genius to make it big. Dr. Schwartz argues the exact opposite. He presents a simple yet profound thesis. The size of your success is determined by the size of your belief. Most people go through life with small ambitions, small thoughts, and small goals, and they only rise to the size of those dreams. If you think small, you expect small results. But when you think big, you open the door to opportunities that would otherwise remain invisible. Today, we aren't just talking about positive thinking. We are talking about a practical framework to re-engineer your life. Let's break it down. The first pillar of this book is believe you can succeed, and you will. Schwartz notes that successful people are not supermen. They aren't born with a success gene. They are ordinary people who have developed a belief in themselves and what they do. Think of your mind as a thought factory. It's a busy factory producing thousands of thoughts every single day. The thought-producing department is managed by two foremen, Mr. Success and Mr. Failure. Mr. Success is a pro. When you ask him for a solution, he finds creative ways to make it happen. He focuses on assets, growth, and possibilities. Mr. Failure is also a pro, but he's lazy. When you ask him why you can't do something, he provides a long list of reasons why it's impossible. The tragedy is that most people let Mr. Failure run their factory. If you believe you can do something, your mind will release the creative power to find out how to do it. But if you don't believe, you won't even see the doors that are already open for you. Actionable step. Stop selling yourself short. You are better than you think you are. Next time you face a challenge, don't ask, why can't I do this? Ask, how can I do this? Your mind will instantly shift from a defensive position to an offensive one. Schwartz identifies Excusitis as the most common disease of failures. It's the habit of making excuses instead of finding solutions. He highlights 4 common strains. Number 1, health excusitis. But my health isn't good. While health challenges are real, successful people learn to work around them. They focus on what they can do, not what they can't. Number 2, intelligence excusitis. I'm not smart enough. Schwartz says, it's not how many brains you've got that matters. It's how you use them. A person with an average IQ who is driven and has a positive attitude will consistently outperform a genius with a negative attitude. Number 3, age excusitis. I'm too young, or I'm too old. Age is just a number. It's a measure of time, not potential. Number 4, luck excusitis. I'm just not lucky. Success is rarely about luck. It's about preparation, persistence, and planning. People who blame luck are actually just avoiding the hard work of taking responsibility. Actionable step. For the next week, keep a no excuse log. Every time you find yourself making an excuse, write it down. You'll be shocked by how often you talk yourself out of your own potential. Fear is a mental state. It's a shadow, and like any shadow, it loses its power when you shine a light on it. Or in this case, when you take action. Schwartz says, action cures fear. Indecision and postponement feed fear. If you are afraid to speak up, speak up. If you are afraid to start that business, take the first step today. He also talks about your memory bank. You have a mental file folder for every experience. If you fill it with negative thoughts, I'm a failure, they're better than me, you'll keep withdrawing those negative feelings. Actionable step? Start making thought deposits. Before you go to sleep, recall 3 things that went well today. Focus on your victories, no matter how small. This builds the confidence you need for tomorrow.
Many people believe that creativity is reserved for artists. Schwartz disagrees. He says creativity is simply finding a way to do things better. To be a creative thinker, number one, believe it can be done. If you don't believe it's possible, your mind shuts down the creative process. Number two, don't let tradition paralyze you. Just because it's always been done one way doesn't mean it's the best way. Number three, ask, how can I do better? This is a question that never fails. Capacity is a state of mind. If you tell yourself you have no more capacity, you won't. If you tell yourself you can learn more, you will. Remember, successful people are always looking for ways to improve, add value, and expand. They aren't looking for excuses. They are looking for how.
Your environment is the psychological food you consume. If you hang out with small-thinking people, you will become a small thinker. If you hang out with people who are ambitious, positive, and growth-oriented, you will naturally start to think that way. Schwartz says, go first class. Don't let small-thinking people hold you back. Get your advice from successful people. Throw thought poison out of your environment. Stop gossiping, stop complaining, and stop surrounding yourself with people who drain your energy. Your environment is also about how you carry yourself. Look important, it helps you feel important. Dress well, walk with purpose, and speak with confidence. This isn't vanity, it's a signal to yourself and others that you take your life seriously.
Finally, to achieve big success, you must learn to lead. Schwartz suggests 4 simple rules for leadership. Number 1, trade minds with the people you want to influence. See things through their eyes. If you want to persuade someone, you need to understand their perspective first. Number 2, put people first. When you treat people with genuine respect, they will work for you with passion. Number 3, think progress. Don't settle for the status quo. Always be pushing for a better way. Number 4, take time out to think. Most people are too busy reacting to life. Take time to confer with yourself. Tap into your own supreme thinking power. The magic of thinking big isn't about ignoring the difficulties of life. It's about choosing to rise above them. It's about setting goals that scare you just enough to keep you focused, and then taking action to reach them, one day at a time. Remember, your success is limited only by the size of your thinking. If you want a bigger life, you must build a bigger mindset. If you found this summary helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Right Mindset for more deep dives into the books that will change your trajectory. What's one big goal you're working toward? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and keep thinking big.